So this swivel chair was thrifted for $10, and I gave myself a $50 budget to find fabric to make like a slip cover for it. I wanted this to be a quick project, so that's why I decided on making it a slip cover instead of doing an entire reupholstery job, which I plan to probably do in the future when I find some really nice fabric. But in the meanwhile, I decided to kind of take this apart and put it back together, sew it back together as like a slip cover somewhat. Something quick. Here I'm trying to determine the best way to disassemble the fabric without destroying it so I could make a pattern out of it for the slipcover. And again, here I am taking it apart, but still trying to keep it all intact so I can kind of make a pseudo pattern out of the individual fabric cuts. Here I'm pinning all the pieces together for like a final motto to slip over the chair before sewing it all together. This was a little tricky, trying to get it to fit over that entire chair, but we worked it out. So this definitely took some trial and error, getting these pieces to fit over the chair at the same time as one huge piece. I took it apart a few times before I got it. Ta-da! So, yeah, here's the completed chair. Not the most perfect fit for my slip cover, but came out pretty good for a pretty quick project. The turnaround time was about 2 weeks, just in time for the holidays, extra seating for our guests.
and it doesn't look too bad from far away. So check me out for the next one. Thanks. Oh, yeah. And we love it so much.